Hi there, it's Mr. Sam, the allotment man, doing something a little bit different. I'm repairing something. So I'm going to repair my pair of glasses. Now, got my spare one. So what happened was is that the arm just broke off and there's nothing to repair, like a screw or anything like that. So I've got my glue, my super glue from the pound shop, and I've got my bicarbonate of soda. So let's get going. Right then, so we're going to do a quick repair. Now, this won't repair the hinge of the glasses, but it will make it usable again. So, first of all, super glue on its own isn't going to do the job. So, what we're going to try and do is glue it together using a bit of bicarbonate of soda. So, first of all, I'm going to put just a tiny little bit of super glue on the glasses and get that stuck into position, or try to anyway. Stick that in position, like so, and then just hold it just for a little bit. Now you see that's not really working, is it? Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to do something. We're going to put the glasses like so, if you can see it like that. And I'm going to hold it in position. Now at the moment there's all super glue on there. Now what I've got here is some bicarbonate of soda on a blade. I'm just going to dump it on there like that. There you go. Now the bicarbonate of soda should harden up and give it a little bit of a fix. Okay, right. So there we are. So that's that done. Now that's not going to be strong enough just yet. So we're going to have to make the fix a little bit better. Let's see if you can see on that side. Okay, so see if we can focus on that. There we go. Okay, so that is a little bit glued. So I'm going to take my super glue again, and I'm just going to douse it in super glue. Okay, get a bit more bicarbonate of soda, pop that on. Some more over here. Here we go. Blow it off. There we are. That's looking good. Now we're going to do some more on the other side. So we're just basically building up the bicarb on the outside, like so. I'm not going too mad. Now, the reason this works is, I don't know. There's a chemical reaction basically going on between the bicarbonate of soda and the super glue. Super glue hardens and goes off when it reacts to moisture. So, I don't know. Basically, I know it works. And I'm showing you, basically. It repairs stuff. It's a very good bond. I've repaired a mirror housing on the car, and basically I make magic props, so there you are. That is pretty much stuck. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to build up the inside a little bit more. Okay, like so, just so it gives it a bit more strength. I'm going to need a bit more bicarb. I wouldn't suggest putting this bicarbonate of soda back in, just in case there's some stuff on it. And of course, once you've used it for this job, don't use it for cooking, just in case you've got some nasties in there or something like that. Okay. Oh, it's all sticking to the blade. There you go. Right. One last little dab of super glue over the edge. And there we go. All done. let's see if we can get a better view of this. I'm trying to focus on the thing. There you go. Ooh. Doesn't really want to do it. There you go, I'll just hold it there. But you can see that is now glued. That is strong. It's a little bit tacky still. Put some more stuff on it because that makes it go off straight away. So there you go, there's those. And there's those. There you are, all fixed and ready to go using bicarbonate of soda and your local bog standard pound shop glue. There you go. I'm Mr. Sam, the allotment man, and that's a little bit of useful stuff. Cheers.